How to create a fantasy football league on ESPN Fantasy app step by step. First of all, simply open the application. Now to create or join league, tap on the create or join league plus sign, and a pop-up will appear with this logo and tap on create new league. Now you have to enter your email to continue or simply complete your login. After you complete login, tap on it. Then simply give your league a name. By tapping on it, you can simply close this and enter a new league name. Now you can choose the league size from 10, 12 up to any number, and simply select the scoring type like PPR, no PPR, or the knockout. Tap on create league. And now your league has been created. Now you can copy the invite link or text invite to your friends, and you can also email the invite and share across platform to your friends. And now close this, and you'll see this league of yours right over here. Tap on my team to see your team, and in this way you can easily create your own league on ESPN Sports. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.